How to trade on OKX exchange app beginner's guide. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Binbasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can do the spot trading on OKX exchange app. Simply, first things first, you want to open up your OKX, right? And here now I'm on the demo trading page. I'll exit it, so I'm on live trading now. Here at the bottom you can see the trade option at the bottom middle. You can tap on trade, and here you are on. If you want to select the spot trading, then the other way is you can tap on the little icon, the dots icon at the top left, and here you can see trade option, and under trade you can see spot, so you can tap on it and you'll be headed to this page, the spot trading page. Now here you can either buy or sell depending on which you want, and then you can select the exchange available, the cryptocurrency exchange that you wish to perform on spot trading. So you can tap on the little drop down at the top left and select from here. Now you can choose your order type by tapping on the limit order drop down there. You can see limit order, buy or sell at a specified price or better. You can see market order, TP or SL, and you can see advanced as well, advanced limit order, trailing stop, trigger, and such. So you can select the price here, you can select the amount, and then simply select. You will be able to see here total as well, and you can tap on buy and go ahead and buy. Now if you are having error here, then you can simply first perform demo trading. If you are having confusion, you can tap on three dots at the top and then select demo trading and go ahead and perform demo trading and practice it before doing it for real. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.